Hello guys, this is Vince and welcome to another Minecraft mod showcase where today we're doing the Battle Gear 2. So at this mod, as you see, I can use my two hands now, right and left click. So let's go to the armors. Oh, sorry, I'm a little lagging. So this is the armor. Knight's helmet. There's no recipe for it as of now, so let's take this. Check for the knight's helmet, it gives you +3 armor and -5% speed, and for the knight's plate, +7 armor and -20% speed, and for the leggings, +5 armor and -50% speed. And for the boots, it's +3 armor and -5 speed. So let's wear it. Check this out. Ooh yeah. So let's go to creative first. Game mode 1. Let's get some zombies. Where are they? This. Okay, let's return it to game mode 0 and change the time set. Time set 13 ... Okay, let's do this. So for today, let's spawn a zombie, and as you see, he's hitting me and I'm not taking damage at all. So that's how effective the armor is. And as you see, its efficiency, it's only taking a little. And let's change the time set again. Time set 1000. And let's kill him. Kill it. Nah, I'll just do it. But the problem at this armor is if you wear it, you cannot go up, so that's bad. And let's remove this. Let's go back to our beautiful spot. Next one would be the weapons. We have the dagger, the war axe, the spear, and the mace. The recipe of the dagger is a stick and different kinds of wood. And for the stone dagger, it's only a stick and a cobblestone. And it's regular only. Okay. For the recipe of the wooden war axe, or the axes are 2 sticks and different kind of oaks wood, yeah. And for the diamond one, it's the same but only diamond. And the recipe of a spear, you need a wooden spear and a cobblestone. To make the spear, you need 3 sticks like this, and last and but not the least, the mace. Yeah, mace. You need a stick and iron ingots. So let's take the weapons. Get it! Oops. And the spear. Let's and I'm in 1.7.10, so to open the item thing, just click this, and there you have your weapon slots and armor slots. So let's put this and put this, and also let's put this and this. No, you cannot put it here, but you can put it here. So let's go to the shields first before we fight zombies. And also, if you want to use the thing, the when you wear the two hands, or when you will use your two hands, only press R and right and left click, and that's it. So let's go to the shields. So we have wooden shield, hide shield, iron shield, golden shield, and diamond shield. The recipe of the wooden, it's different kinds of oak. For the hide shield, just leather and different kind of wood planks. And the iron shield would have 5 iron ingots and different kind of oak plants or wood planks. So for the golden, it's the same as the iron, and the diamond one, it's the same too. So let's take the diamond one and put it in our thing. Okay, so let's get that later. So let's change the game mode again. No, the time set 13,000. Okay, then let's spawn a zombie right here and press R and right click. Okay, oh my. So if you want to choose this, just press 2 or 3. So if you right click the shield, but the spear has long range, so let's go to game mode 1 first to take a creeper. Take a creeper. Where's that? Creeper. This. Okay. Let's go to game mode 0 again and press R again so that you can spawn this. Okay. What? And press R. If you press right click and there, you cannot take any damage. That's good though. So let's try a zombie to kill a zombie. Wait. Yes, this, and press R. As you see, the spear has long range, and we're going to the next one. Time set 1000. Okay. Next one is the arrows. For the arrows, we have different kinds. We have the piercing arrow, the poison arrow, mystery arrow, the leech arrow, explosive arrow, ender arrow, and the flaming arrow. Let's remove this first. Oh no, I need this. Oops. So let's take these arrows. No, wait a second. Yes, I'll return this first. So first let's do the piercing arrow. And I forgot to get a bow. Let's just get a bow. / game mode 1. Where's the bow? Bow. There. Let's take it and change the game mode to 0. And as you see, it's like this, but I cannot use it. Why? Let's go to the, but yeah, I cannot use it. Why not? Let's try at game mode 1. 1. So Um, it's not using this. Maybe. Wait. 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 Let's try to get this maybe and put it. That I don't know. Game mode 0. So let's try it. But yeah, I cannot use it, but it's okay. The arrows have this. So we have the flaming. I said this a while ago. So for the other stuff, yeah. For the others is only this. We have a stick that I showed you before. This. And we have another maze. The crafting recipe is a stick and 4 cobblestone. We have this wooden maze. It has different oak planks and a stick. For this it's only a icon. The chain, just 2 iron ingots. For this quiver, it's only like 6, 7 leather. But this, and we have this oak poles, just oak wood pile like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you and goodbye. Bye.